Want to know how to do a weekly house blessing? Follow me. First thing in the morning, strip your bed and put your linens in the wash. Now clean all the mirrors in your house, just the spots, not the whole thing. Instead of vacuuming, I'm going to be running this dust mop over the hardwood floors. You hear that noise? It's my boot. And look at all that I was able to get up in just a few minutes. Okay, time to check our laundry. Put our sheets in the dryer. Go. This will be ready soon. Here are my upstairs garbage cans. I'm about to empty these and reline them. Okay, all lined and ready. A quick mop of the bathroom. And on to bathroom number 3. All right, I'm ready to dust. Now this is my FlyLady feather duster, which I love, and it works really quick. You just dust. It goes under things and between things. My husband has this humongous TV in the room. I'm gonna go over here and let me put my ace bandages away for my foot. Right there. Okay, we don't have to move anything, just dust. This is a quickie. We're gonna get the details when we detail clean the master bedroom. So, just dusting, not moving anything. The wonderful thing about this, aren't we cute, is that it just grabs the dust. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. You can do so much so fast. Now Larry has a lot more stuff, but I just dust it and he can mess with it later. Okay, sometimes I run in here and grab these lights because it's so easy. Little dresser. Hello, family. This is my desk. Whoops. The wash machine and dryer are running, but sometimes I dust them just because it's so easy. And that's it. I really don't have a lot down here to dust. When you're through with your feather duster, you're supposed to shake it outside. Right, I've had mine a long time. Still working great. I'm going to vacuum the walk areas. Can't probably get it with my boot. I'm all done. A little sweaty, a little out of breath. I worked really hard. You may know that I'm wearing a boot on my foot for a sprained ankle, so that was a little extra effort. I only do 6 of the 7 things. The 7th thing is to call magazines and newspapers. We don't take the newspaper, and the magazines that we get go directly to my mother's home once I'm done reading them. And we are really good because we've developed habits of going through our mail, so we don't have paper clutter. But now's the time for you to go through your paper clutter. When you're done, sit down and relax and enjoy your clean home. It will look wonderful. And no one knows about the corners and things, because you know what? When you get into your zone cleaning, you're going to be cleaning the corners once a month, which is probably more than you're doing now anyway. So I'm excited for you. Let's see what we did today. Oh, I haven't put the sheets back on the bed yet. They're still in the dryer, but it's changed the sheets. That's one. Dust, vacuum or dust mop, wipe the mirrors or polish the glass, dust. That's it. It doesn't take a lot. And I also folded a load of laundry that happened to be in the dryer that I put in this morning before I did the sheets. So, yay me. Anyway, hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you enjoyed Weekly Home Blessing. This is an hour that you need to take every week and do as part of your weekly plan. Remember, you are beautiful. And here's the bed, all nice and made.